Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and tools. This is why backups matter. They save time when something goes wrong. Once done, download the correct Windows ISO and make a bootable USB using Media Creation Tool or Rufus. Make sure the USB is 8 GB or larger. You will also record your HP serial or product key and check battery level. Then reboot into BIOS/UEFI to enable USB boot and set boot order to the USB device. You boot to the USB installer and choose Custom Install so you control partitions. This prevents leftover clutter. Once done, delete the old Windows partition if you want a clean system, or format it to preserve recovery partitions if desired. Then select the target partition and click Next. You'll be prompted for region and keyboard. Provide those, and either enter a product key now or skip and activate later. Make sure to keep the laptop plugged in during file copy and install phases. You complete the out-of-box experience by creating your user account, selecting privacy options, and connecting to Wi-Fi. This lets Windows fetch drivers and updates automatically. Once booted, go to Support. HP. COM to download chipset, graphics, and wireless drivers specific to your model, then run Windows Update until no updates remain. Restore your backed up files and confirm Windows activation. If activation or driver issues occur, use the built-in troubleshooters, retry HP Support Assistant, or boot to safe mode to uninstall conflicting drivers. That single step often fixes stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.